Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as we all know, summer is coming up and we need to build our summer vanities, and I have the perfect summer vanity for you ready, that too under 5,000 rupees. So these are all going to be budget products that you can put in your vanity, whether you want to make a new vanity altogether or you want to add, so you can pick and choose, right? So let's start with our primer first. You can use whatever skin base you generally use according to your skin type in the summer. We are going to start with the primer. First of all, for the dewy primer, you can go for Faces Canada one, right? It's really good. It's going to give you that from within the glow kind of a look. And if you have more of an oily skin, then you can go for Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Primer. So these both are going to cost you 600 each. Their prices are same. You can just go according to your skin type. Next, we come to the corrector. So corrector, you can pick up Elf Camo Corrector. So these correctors are really creamy and they have really good coverage according to your under eye problem or whatever acne marks you have. You can pick the right corrector. I'm going to make a separate video on that, right? Like what kind of correctors you need to use for which problem. So this Elf Camo corrector is going to cost you 590 rupees. And next we come to the foundation or the base. So you can use Recode Ace of the base foundation if you want a more full coverage. It will cost you around 800 rupees, and this foundation is really nice for daily use, even for beginners. It's really super blendable and can be like worn for 6 to 8 hours easily if logged properly. Otherwise, if you are more of a skin tint person, you don't want full coverage, then you can go for Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint. So this tint is also going to cost you around 6 to 700 rupees, and it's really good. It feels like second skin and it doesn't crease a lot and it doesn't kind of show up on your skin. It's very fresh, very dewy, very summery. Next we come to concealer. So concealer, you can use Forever 52 concealer. It's going to cost you 500 rupees according to your skin, whatever your skin color is. You just need to select 2 shades lighter to your skin, the concealer, right? And next for the setting powder, you can use Innisfree no sebum powder if you have like a really oily skin and your kind of makeup gets greasy really easily. Then you can go for this powder. This is really good Korean product and it really does the oil locking in part. So this is gonna cost you around 550 rupees. Or if you want to go for a matte powder, you can go for K Beauty HD matte setting powder. That's gonna cost you around 7 to 800 rupees. Okay. Next, coming on to your blush, contour and highlighter part. So I'm gonna suggest one face palette from Sugar. So it's gonna contain all 3 of your products and it's easy to carry also, plus all of your needs are kind of getting fulfilled in one palette itself. This palette is going to cost you around 800 rupees. Coming on to your eyeshadow, so for daily wear you need some neutral shadows, right? So Elf Bite eyeshadow palette is really good. It has 4 shades, 2 matte and 2 shimmer shades. So it's going to cost you around 390 rupees. Next, coming on to your eyeliner, kajal and mascara. Again, Maybelline has this colossal combo and Maybelline products are really good, like the OG if you can say, right? All the early 2010s girls know this, that Maybelline's kajal, mascara and eyeliner are the best you can get out there. So they are offering it in a combo which is going to cost you around 600 rupees. Okay, next coming on to your lip liner. I guess for Indian skin tone we only need one lip liner which is gonna go with your each and every lip combo, whether be it nude or pinks or your reds. So you can go for Mars 02 Deep Dawn shade and it's gonna cost you around 69 rupees. Coming on to your lipsticks, again I'm gonna recommend you a set of 3 lipsticks which is gonna again contain your red, nude shade and pink. It's from Makeup Revolution lip set, right? It's gonna cover all of your needs for lip shades. So this is the total. And if you want to spray your face, kind of a setting spray that can lock it all in, so you can use two types of sprays. One you can get from Fashion Color. It's gonna cost you around 350 rupees. Otherwise you can go for Makeup Revolution dewy setting spray. Again, it's gonna cost you around 7 to 800 rupees, but it's really gonna lock your makeup in. So this was all for your summer vanity. Okay guys, so this wraps up today's video of summer vanity under 5k. I'm gonna link all the products in the description below. Otherwise you can also find them on Amazon as well as Nykaa for my Indian audience. Otherwise I'm gonna link everything down below and you can click it and check it out. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye bye, take care.